Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and take a look at our inventory at www.southernmotors.com. Today we're going to take a look at just a beautiful 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle SS. Gorgeous car, guys. This car is factory Fathom green with the factory green, midnight green vinyl interior, the black vinyl top. It's got the white SS stripe that runs down the length of both sides. Great car, man. My old saying about these cars, sometimes when you just see a car, it's just got eyes. That's what this car is, man. This car is just eye candy. Just sits good. It's got a great sound, and it's just a really nice car. Love the color combination. I like this dark green on these late 60s cars. It really just pops on these cars. Car's out of Kentucky, big block car. It's got 18 and 20-inch American Racing torque thrust all the way around it with ZR rated rubber, and just really just a nice car. Clean, straight. It's got beautiful paint on it. Really dig this car. You can see the chrome and stainless are very nice. Again, this is, I think it's code 57, which is Fathom green. Great car. Really a nice car, guys. This car just laser straight down the sides. Pretty car. And believe me, guys, I hear you. I'm getting your emails, I'm getting your phone calls. I'm doing the best I can, man. These guys are just selling them as fast as I can get them. I can't even get them advertised anymore, and Leroy's getting them sold. So I'm trying. I know you guys have seen a bunch of coming soons on our Facebook and on our website, and I'm doing everything I can to try to get stuff posted quickly. It's just sometimes Mother Nature doesn't cooperate, and then of course Leroy gets them sold before I even get a chance to advertise them. This is a 69 date-coated 396 motor, 4-barrel. It's got the Edelbrock Performer RPM aluminum intake, nice set of big tube headers, power steering, power front disc brakes. It's got the HEI distributor in it. Nice car, man. Just a pretty car, guys. If you're looking for a nice Chevelle, I think you're really going to like this car. The car runs out, drives excellent. And it's just like I say, it's got that real good look. Just a killer look to it. New door rubbers. See, the car's got new carpet in it, new sill plates. Of course, bucket seats, console. I'm sorry, this car I forgot to mention. It's got a 700 R4 automatic overdrive transmission in it. So the nice thing is you can get on the expressway and roll out in it. You see how nice that dash is? Like I say, everywhere you look, man, this car is just nice. 50,717 is what it's showing. That is supposed to be the actual miles. See, he's got a set of the Fathom gauges, aftermarket radio. It's got 2.5-inch Flowmaster dual exhaust with the chrome tips. 12-bolt rear end. Look how just all the little cracks and crevices. The car's just nice. And that's the way I buy them, guys. I just try to buy the absolute nicest car that I can. I don't do any consignment. This isn't Joe Smith's car here that I'm just representing. I own the car. It's got to be nice or I don't buy it. See that 12-bolt rear? You see how nice this car is underneath. Nice and clean. Rear end's all satin black. This car's flat, just looks good, man. Great looking Chevelle. Well, I like this car. That dash is real nice. They've even put the, you see that? They put the overdrive selector in it. Have Jay fired up here. And door handles are nice. I mean, super, super nice car, guys. Good running big block, just a mild cam, nothing crazy. That is a nice car right there. Fuel gauge does work. The aftermarket gauges under there, they work. Even the backup lights work, guys. Good sounding big block. Radio works. Blower motor, Jay.
Yep.
Blower motor does work, guys. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com, or you're always welcome, guys. Pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Yeah, I like that car, man. Pretty, pretty. The car just sits good, man. Just a little rake to it. Of course, I love those wheels and tires on it. Have a great day, guys.